Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix notes not showing in Messenger. If the notes feature is not showing or working on your device, try the following tips to fix the issue and get notes on Messenger. Before starting, make sure you have an stable internet connection. Tip 1. Update the Messenger app. Tip 2. Clear the Messenger app cache. To delete Messenger cache on Android, open the Settings app, click Apps, tap Messenger, then tap Storage. Now, select Clear Cache or long press on the Messenger icon, click the I button to open up information, and click Storage and click Clear Cache. Tip 3. Log out and log back in. In the Messenger app, click the three-line menu, then click the Settings icon, scroll down and click See More in Account Center. Tap Password and Security, then go to where your login section and click the account on your device. Then click Log Out. After that, log into your personal account again and see if the notes feature shows. Tip 4. Restart your device. Another simple method to fix app issues is to restart your device. Therefore, you can restart your smartphones to resolve minor glitches that leads to Messenger notes not working. And tip 5. Uninstall and reinstall Messenger. If none of these videos resolve your issue, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.